Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. Today's video is very important. It is going to make you young and energetic. So, first of all, share the video with everyone whom you know so that all of them will feel we are young and energetic. Yes, you might have heard many people speaking. I'm 50 plus now, I'm 60 plus, I'm 70 plus, what to do and all. Then, shall I ask you what is the age of our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji? He is 74 years old. What is the age of Jinping ji? 72. Putin ji? 72. Donald Trump? 79. Ayatollah Khomeini? 86. Benjamin Netanyahu? 75. You are knowing these people at this age are able to shake the world or move the world from this place to the other. If not like them, if not that much, at least we can be happy, we can be hale and healthy, we can help others, we can give what we are having to others. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes, we can. Then what we have to do? How we can remain young, energetic and interested in life? Yes, happy. There are a few points or few tips which I will give you in short. Follow this and see that how you too will be young and energetic. First of all, stop thinking I am old. Stop thinking. Say that I am young and healthy. I am young and healthy. And next is you have to take care of your health. It is not somebody else will come to take care of your health. Follow some good habits. For example, as soon as you get up from the bed, first thing you should do is you should drink a glass of water. Let it be hot, cold, lemon water, salt water, whatever according to your likes. As soon as you get up, first thing you have to do is you have to take a glass of water, because a whole night our body gets dehydrated, and at this age it is not good. That is why don't go for tea and coffee as soon as you get up. Go and have a glass of water. That is the first thing. And protect your health. How to protect your health means have good food, that too which is prepared at home, fresh food, plenty of vegetables, fruits, plenty of water. Even you can have tender coconut or whatever you get in your place, good natural things. Even fruit juices and all you can have, but fresh fruit juices, not the packed ones. As far as possible, avoid junk food and use fresh food. And exercise, it is very important. We have to move our body. If you can go for walking, if you can have the stretching exercises, simple exercises which we have learnt in our schools and colleges, the same exercises keep on doing daily. We should do some exercise. If you can walk, go for walking. If you go for swimming, go for that. Cycling, go for that. Otherwise, at least stretching exercise you should have. And we should go into the sunlight 7 to 9 in between. If you are going for a walk at that time. If you are not going for a walk, at least sit by the window where the sunlight enters your room. So, have the good habits. And one thing is, don't have something in mind. He told me like this, he blamed me like this and that. No. Learn to say, let it go. Let it go. Don't carry any burden in your heart. So very important things. First, take care of your health. Then one more important thing is financial freedom. If you are having pension or rent from your property, that is houses or whatever you have done, well and good. Otherwise, even if you are working in the private or whatever it is, you should keep an amount for your old age. So whenever you need anything, whenever you want to go to the doctor, buy something, help someone, no need to ask others. So this is right from the time we have started earning, we should learn about our financial freedom in the old age. And inner peace is very, very important. For inner peace, what you have to do? Do meditation, bhajan, prayers, whatever, something or the other, self-talk. Talk to your God, whatever you want. Daily have the habit of going to the church, temple, mosque, whatever it is, Gurudwara. If you feel happy there, sit for a while, pray to God. See, always inner peace is also very, very important. And how we can get this inner peace? It is only with the belief in God, trust in God, we will be able to get our inner peace. If you are having real friends, have the real friends, but don't have the fake friends. As the age grows, many times your friends may not be able to come and meet you at that time. Now we are having phone and also you can, because of this media, you can help them, you can talk to them. And one very, very important thing is, learn to love yourself. Whatever the others do, but you love yourself. Don't think that you are useless now, because during the days when you are working, you have worked for the family, you have looked after them, you have given them everything. Don't be under the impression, now I am useless. No, never. Your wisdom, your experience is of help to everyone. And keep yourself busy. Keep on learning something or the other. Learn a new language, learn a new thing, or if you are interested in technology and all, learn new things, whatever you want. But keep on learning something or the other. Daily keep on learning new things. And one more thing where we get much satisfaction is, we should learn to give whatever we are having. I am not talking you should give money or only it is a financial help. No. You are having knowledge, share it with others. I have seen many of my friends undertaking yoga classes, English classes, or even if you are uneducated, okay, you can cook well, you can prepare pickles well, you can prepare puran poli and all such dishes very nicely. You can teach it to the coming generation. Whereas our coming generation, many of them are interested in learning all these things. So teach it to the coming generation. This is what we give. Okay, you are having you can give a few words of courage, motivation, do that. And don't expect money for each and everything. No, money is not the end. Happiness is the end. And when you are happy, you will get everything enough for you. And you will be very, very happy in life. So, my dear friends, don't tell I am 50 now, I am 60 plus, I am 70 plus, mine everything is over, what I can. No, you are still young and energetic. Show it to the world. Look at the people around you who are elder to you but very active. So, follow the example and think always you are still young and energetic. Have a good day.